Hello guys, what's up? Today, I and my best friend is house is game. This is Ason is game, guys. This is Ason is game, guys. Ason is my best friend, guys. You know, he's record one of my games. Guys, if you want to accept Ason, I have a link to him. Look. You see these people, guys? These people is my friend. I have the link. Okay. So yeah, this is his game. In this game, let's go see fires and elevator. Hey guys, the bad news: you not can enter to this game because this game is in private. But it's okay. I can record this game from you guys. It's in private. Just this can go me, police, and ASM. 4 people or 5 people can't come to this game anymore because it's private. Ason is, Ason is put the games private. But yeah, but guys. Oh, guys, and one more. See, you're in Roblox, see your kids or Roblox Select. Oh my gosh, you not can go in because Roblox is blocking the games. And I'm in Roblox Select. I don't know why, but yeah. But this game is in private from no reason, so you not can enter to the game. Sorry, just 5 people is game. But guys, oh, sorry from half this emoji. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. But guys, let's go see the elevators. The elevator because in this case that's the elevator. But it's half of the see, it's like this. Why is this door? I not open this. Oh, it's a bathroom. I don't know why not have room, but yeah. Bro, this is 90s and 2000 films. What? Advance. Edwards, this thing is old, bro. It's old. From the 90s. It's entirely. Like super old, guys. 20,000? I don't know. Guys, now let's go to the basement. I know 10 speakers down here, but I don't care, you know. I don't know, say you. Okay, this is the basement. Okay, I see more things. Nice. Three of that, guys. June going to the Boston to Chuck E. Cheese one time. It's half arcade. Nice. Okay, it's not working. Let's go upstairs. The first floor. Guys, let's go to the basement. Right, the elevator. Yay! It's a double of the years 15 and 16. Hey guys, why is Cafe Ores voice? Because my friend Anson have that. I don't know why, but I don't like it much because double is not have a voice. guys to here. Oh, I think in here is have fire alarms. I think so. I don't know. Y the other door is the garage. The doors. Si I can. What is my favorite car? The right one or the left one? The right one. Lamborghini, bro. Now let's go close the doors. Okay, guys, now let's go test the firearms bar lock. It's in this now, but I don't know doing that. Let's go pull it. The fires are loud. It's so loud, I don't have more signal, so let's go stop the video. Oh, the mechanical horn is less but I don't care. Let's go stay here. It's loud. Okay, but guys. Hold on. You like Anson's house and Anson's game? Oh shit. Okay. Guys, you like Anson's house and Anson's game? Subscribe. Guys, this is the Anson's house. Comment here. This is Anson's house. It have elevators, firearms, and the best thing I have a room. Yuppie. The bad thing is two things. I don't have things. It's in the basement, but the best thing, yeah, I have a room. The bad thing is I don't have room, but yeah, I have a room. Ouch. Ouch. Are you kidding me, bro? Sorry. Okay, but guys, sorry from doing that. Yeah, in the lower elevator, I made the elevator, but Ason is not made the elevator, but I make the elevator. Ason is made the voice, no more. The elevator, the wall, the elevator door, I made that. The elevator is more realist, but I modernized a door, guys. The elevator, you know. The fire is Ason, those two in Ason is the elevator. But yeah, guys, if you like the tour of this game is made of Ason, guys. You have a link of him, so you want to friend him in the other part, okay? But guys, if you like this video, subscribe. Bye bye. You not can go into this game, sorry, because it's in private. Okay, bye bye.